Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Plenty of Fish. To find out how, make sure you watch this video all the way until the end. And before we begin, just hit that like and subscribe button real quick and let's get started. First of all, you will need to open up your web browser, so go ahead and open it up. And then in the address bar, just type in pof.com and press enter. This will now take you into the official website of the Plenty of Fish dating website. If you don't have an account yet, you can click on the sign up button or the register button at the top right corner. In order to log into your existing account, you can click on the login button or the sign in button at the top right corner as well. After clicking on this, you will be taken into the login portal. Now just enter your username followed by your password and then click on the login button and you will be logged into your account on Plenty of Fish. In case you forgot your password, you can click on the button which says forgot your password. Then you can just enter your email address and click on reset password to reset your login credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on Plenty of Fish. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.